Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable all categories and services settings on FlixBus account. So first we're going to go to FlixBus app. Then next you're going to click on more on the lower right corner. Then again you're going to click on settings. Then again you're going to click on privacy settings. So under the privacy settings there are categories and services. You're going to turn them on by both going on their sectors. If there are any of them turned off, you're going to turn them on. Then once you're done, you're going to click on accept all. So now we've turned on all the categories and services under privacy settings. So this is how you do it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.